let's look at some basic features of design tools. Now you may have the launching tools up here. And then remember, you always have Academic Technology to contact if you have questions or if something isn't working the way you expect it to. But this will be an overview of design tools so that you can understand how to edit a page or make a page have some, the pretty colors, formatting, stuff like that, if you have access to design tools. So right now, there's no color, there's no formatting. I'm going to click this puzzle piece, and we've seen where you can copy content. So if you have a theme or an institution theme, or you have a different page you want to copy, but let's say we want to start from scratch, I can choose a theme. So if you hover over these options, you can see what they might look like. So then this might be the week, the unit, the module. I'm just going to say week 1. It could also be like your course name, however you want to organize this, and then the title. So you'll notice this is automatically header 2. This is important for accessibility. So you can see this begin design tools, end design tools, everything that's going to have that pretty formatting is going to be inside here. Now, if you know HTML or you want to edit HTML, you can click HTML editor, and then you'll see the HTML code behind it. There are newer versions of this, and so there will be a different video on the newer version of how to update a Canvas page. What I'm going to do is click Add Content. I can do introduction text. It gives you some institutional blocks, objectives, right? And then it kind of starts it out for you, assignments, and then maybe there's a video lecture that they're supposed to watch. So you can do all of that. And so let's say we list the objectives. It's going to be numbered. Yeah, that might work, but it might not be your numbering. So then we can remove those numbering up here. So I deleted it, just press enter again, and now I maybe we'll do bullet points instead. Assignment description. So let's say I want a link to these assignments. I usually like to center mine. So let's say assignment number 1. So I can highlight this, come to the assignments, and then find an assignment. And I don't remember. These are just practice modules from different courses. So assignment 1, and that, okay, there's the link, but we can kind of make that more fun. So I have my cursor in that link. I'm going to come to this bullseye and current element style, and you'll have these button options. If these button options don't appear, just click away from the link and then click back inside the link, and it kind of refreshes itself to appear. So you can pick some different buttons. You can also choose an icon. So notice how these icons kind of automatically appear. You can add icons to buttons as well. So I'm going to click button link icon, and then I can search for something. And now, all right, you can add an icon to the assignment. You can also embed links, media, videos. You can use your different external tools, Canvas, whatever other ones you've added to the course. You can record, you can use pictures, so lots of different options. You can also add it to an assignment's to-do list if you want it to appear on their calendar, something that they need to do or read in a certain time frame. And then you can change the coloring of this if you want. Right, here's the different colors. You can set up your own color schemes. If you want to change these icons for the headers, notice now it's header 3. So you do want to pay attention to the header order. I'm going to click on these 3 bars. That's your content blocks. And you can refresh these. You can rearrange them. So you want them to see the lecture before the assignments. I can click on the icons, change them that way. And then I can click that check accessibility. And this is what we should see. Ideally, no accessibility issues were detected. I'm going to save it. I might want to preview it from a student, publish it. You can add it to a module, so forth.